Welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch between HDMI, USB-C and DisplayPort on your Samsung ViewFinity S6. So to do that we have to access the joystick of our monitor, which is located on the back side of it. You can easily reach it from the bottom. Press it once, then drag it to the left to select source, then press it once again and select an alternative source you want to use to switch to a different device. So as you can see, we have HDMI connected and only it currently, but we can easily switch to DisplayPort, except for in this case we'll see nothing on the screen. And we can also switch to the USB Type-C. So you can navigate in this menu using up and down drags, and you can press the button to select the source that you want to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.